You might think we just fix ACs, toilets, and wiring. And yeah, we're really good at that. But around here, it's not just about the fix.
It's about the follow through, the honesty, the peace of mind. We never pressure, we never push. We just do what's right, every time.
And that's what we call the Cornerstone difference. It's showing up when you need us most. It's fair, flat rate pricing with no surprises. And it's using top-tier equipment we'd install in our own homes.
It's always about catching issues before they become disasters. Our maintenance plans aren't just convenient, they save you money, stress, and those oh no moments.
Whether we're picking up the phone or walking into your home, we're focused on one thing: your comfort, your trust, and your peace of mind.
We're proud to be the team Tampa turns to. Day or night, rain or shine. That's the Cornerstone difference. Fair, fast, and friendly. Call today and experience it for yourself.